In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can factory reset your Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. Okay, this is really easy to do. First step that you're going to want to do is over here on the left-hand side, there's a round button. You're just going to take and make sure you push that forward so that way it is turned on. That's how you turn on these glasses. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to close this right leg right here. And then up here, you'll see the button. You're going to go ahead and press that 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you do, you'll see that it turns orange right there. Now you're going to take and press and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now it's pulsing. And then after that, you're going to press and hold it again. All right, and then now it's in discovery mode, and now it's flashing that light. So that's how you factory reset your Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses.